るしてる。Hey, it's Ellie. Welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm with my sister, her boyfriend, and my boyfriend, and we're heading to Yoboko. It's been a hot minute since I last came here. So, if you've never heard of Yoboko, it's this little port town in Saga. It was pouring when we got here, but we're hare online hare otoko if you don't know what that means. It means there are people who somehow bring good weather with them. I swear every time we had to get out of the car, the rain just magically stopped. It's actually crazy. So Yoboko is famous for its fresh yari ika, that's spear squid by the way, and honestly, the seafood here is next level, like straight from the ocean to your plate. Of course, we came here for the squid and it did not disappoint. We had yari ika sashimi, squid dumplings, some bomb sashimi. Everything was so good, like melt in your mouth good. 口に溶けるやん。Yobokoやばいね。めっちゃ綺麗なウニじゃないこれ。何年ぶりかな、ヨボコは。見たことある？あるよ。でも本当に人生に2、3回ぐらい、2回ぐらいあちこち行きよっためっちゃ。ほらまだお客さんとかさ、普通にフル出勤やけん同伴したりとかする。きつかったこここまで運転してきて、お客さんが。マジでもうだるーっと話すのが。
2時間ぐらいかかるよね。何人で行くの？2人で。やだー。18歳やったけん、ほらなんか行ったことないとこ行ってみたいじゃん普通に。どうしても彼氏いなかったし別にいいかなって。そうですね。お疲れ様でいいですか？なんか普通に誘われたら行こうってならん。行ったことないしね。まあ知りたいって。ほど家じゃなければ。うん。でもやっぱ嫌やった。なんか気使うめっちゃ。車弱いけん寝ちゃったんよ途中に。めっちゃすねて相手。でも本当に具合悪くて歌がいっぱいやし、ごめん本当に。そうそう。うん。可愛いこのちっちゃいエビ。ちっちゃくない？そのまま刺身。すごいみんなおかわりしてる。おいしい、すごいね。もうおかわりしきらん。うまそう。わうまっ。音やばい。これなんていうの？シャキシャキじゃない？サクサク。うまいな。満足。スワグ、じゃんけんぽん。なんで入ってないの？関係ない。私もお腹いっぱいだから。最初はグー、じゃんけんぽん。ちょっともうちょっといいね。私お金かけたらね、めっちゃ強い。本気のじゃんけんみたいな。うん。 どっちが払うみたいなたまにするじゃんけん絶対勝つよね。ほんとちっちゃいなんかジュースとかかけて絶対に勝つよね。
そんなことないよ。昔ね、じゃんけんなんか団体でメインの人が酔っ払っててめっちゃお金みんなから1万とか何千ずつもらったんだけど、全部で多分50万60万いくんじゃないかなっていう。で2人ぐらいこう分けるみたいな。勝ったんよね。しかも全員よ。全員女の子の中に40人ぐらい20万もらって。でもここだけの話だけど、あの時のじゃんけんずるしてあるよ。みんな酔っ払っとうけど見てないもん。これ
進化してたの？
だってさ、みんなさ負けとうけん、もう普通に女の子たちはお客さんと話すわけよ。見ないんよもう。見てないよね。しかも他のプレイヤーたちは周りの人たちじゃなくて相手とじゃんけんするから向こう見てるわけよ。でこうやってじゃんけん
もう最後の最後はほら人数減るからさ。
1回だけなんだけど、あれはたまたま勝てた。
普通にね。
逆に絶対欲しいそのお金って思って。い 1万やったら別にズルする必要ないけどめっちゃ性格悪いよね。
Okay, before I get into the haul and all the other stuff, I thought I'd cook us a little Japanese breakfast first. I'm making a teishoku, which is basically a Japanese set meal. Rice, soup, a main dish, and some little sides all in one tray. Super classic, super comforting. So for today, I randomly decided to challenge myself and try something I've never made before, nasu agedashi. It's fried eggplant in a light dashi broth, and honestly, I've always wanted to try making it because he's been making it for me, and now it's my turn to return the favor. I started with the eggplant, just coated it in katakuriko, which is potato starch, and then fried it up till it looked nice and crispy. Then I made the dashi so I could pour it all over the eggplant later. After that, I chopped up a bunch of shiso leaves to sprinkle on top. It adds such a fresh kind of minty flavor. So we like to try different kinds of miso, and so far this is my favorite. I've been using this a lot lately. While the miso soup was doing its thing, I made tamagoyaki, the rolled omelette. It took me forever to get this right. But to make a really fluffy dashi maki, you have to add a lot of water. That's the secret ingredient. Because my boyfriend's super picky about eggs. Like, he doesn't eat egg whites, so I had to mix it really well. But yeah, I low-key failed this time. And then I added a little mentai mayo on the side because mentaiko spicy kodro is a Fukuoka Hakata specialty, and your girls gotta represent. And finally, just added the miso soup and rice to the obon tray, and that's it. Breakfast is served. Hi, so I just want to show you guys what I bought recently. So I went to one of my favorite zakayas. It's a shop with different items for the house, and they even have clothes. This is where we usually buy plates, and I just want to show you guys because we only have 2 chawangs or rice bowls, also serving plates for the hot pot. We do like have guests over to have dinner, so we bought 2 more rice bowls for our friends. This is one. It says here, you can see it says here, tableware goods. See it? So cute. And we have the same one in a different color and texture. This one's shinier, and it's in like a moss green color. This one's like gray. So cute. And all these is around 300 to 1,000 yen. I think it's always less than 1,000 yen. These are these are plates for the hot pot. Cute. I love the detail. And this is 440 yen. This is 330 yen. Very cheap. Last from Lakole is this glass. I've always wanted one of these glasses. So cute. So I've always wanted these glasses so I could put my coffee or matcha. It makes me excited when I get new glasses because it makes me want to drink more matcha and make my drinks fancier and romanticize the shit out of drinking of a glass. This one costs a little more. It's 660 yen, but it's worth it. I wanted this glass, so very excited. We also got some snacks from MUJI. If you guys don't know, MUJI snacks are chef's kiss. Before I go with the snacks, I'm gonna show you this non-bread mix. Very easy to make. We love curry so much, and you know how we don't always go out to eat, so we bought this. We love naan so much. And then we got just a few snacks. There's this section in Muji where you could buy 3 packs of snacks for 1,000 yen. So I bought like a few of my favorites and some stuff I want to try. So I'm gonna show you guys. First one is Ringo Butter Biscuit. So apple and butter biscuit. I love butter biscuits, apple flavored like pies and stuff like that. And they look like one of those. So I'm gonna try this out. Never tried it, but it looks so yummy. This one is oh, I love imokempi. You could never go wrong with sweet potato sticks. And I love sweet potato anything. This one we were kind of intrigued with what it tastes like. So it says Hajikeru Candy Iri Choco Ichigo Aji. This one has 2 flavors. So one is matcha and this one is strawberry. So very excited to try these. It says it has popping candy. This was so good. These are one of my favorites now. Florentans are the bomb. How come I never knew these? I always discover new food whenever I'm with him. He said these are his favorites. He would always buy this, but I never tried it. So we were in the car, and when I've heard how he explained what this is, and it's made of fresh cookie dough, caramel, and nuts. And he had me at caramel, so I tried it, and it was so good. And it's very easy to eat. So we eat it in the car because it's all bite-sized pieces. Chef's kiss, man. That's it. Also, we're gonna pick up a plant today because we want this big, enormous plant in our house. It's always my dream to make my room look like a jungle. So we got this big plant and very excited. So we're gonna go pick that up.